Alright, what's going on, friends? In this video I'm going to show you how to put together this chair that I bought at Sam's Club. You can also buy this off the Sam's Club website. I'll try to put a link down in the description to where you can find this on the Sam's Club website. I already tried this out. It is really nice. It comes with a subwoofer in the back here, and it has 2 speakers on each side, and you can hook this to your gaming machine, or you could even hook it to your phone or anything that has Bluetooth, because it has Bluetooth on it. And with this wire here, we'll show you can hardwire it also to like your PlayStation or whatever you would have. So just keep watching the video. I'll show you how I put it together, and Spencer is gonna try to show you how to use all the little fancy dials we got here on the side. All right, let's get this box open and I'll show you how to put this together, because I've already put one of these together. This is about the only tool you're going to need, either a pair of scissors or a knife, just to open this box up. Just make sure you stick your knife or scissors straight in and you should be fine. You don't have to worry about cutting into the chair. This is the pedestal it sits on. I recommend just taking everything out of the bags. Be careful of this pin right here. You're going to need that. This white box, this is your plug to plug the chair in, so the speakers will work. This one here is to plug into like your game, if you have a game machine or something, so it will play through the speakers, or you can use the Bluetooth. If you want, and then you're going to keep watching my video, you can take all this stuff out, but just do not lose it, because I know where it all goes. I'll show you. Need that little piece. This is your tool to put all the screws together. Those 4 little screws will hook this seat plate on the bottom of the seat. These big screws are for the armrests. Don't lose these little caps. They will cover up the screws in the armrest. Just leave this all folded up. There's like Velcro right here. Just leave this Velcro facing you. And we're going to take this piece right here. We're going to lay it on here. There's 4 holes right here, and this big piece right here, this is what you're going to adjust. You can lean this chair back a little bit. It'll make this harder or easier to lean back. So that goes on like that. This piece away from the Velcro, and put the 4 screws in. Just get them all started by hand. It does come with a nice tool. Maybe you should pull that little cotter pin out. You're gonna, just don't lose it. Just snug them all up. They don't gotta be really, really super tight. I think that green stuff that's on the screws is like a Loctite, so it won't come unscrewed. Now you're gonna take this piece and take the little end and just stick it in that hole. Just tap on a little bit. And take your base, flip it upside down, put that on. Now we're going to flip this around. Now you're going to take the arm that says has an L on it for left, and we're going to put it on the side that has an L on it for left. Stick them 3 screws in there. Line them up. Start them by hand. They get a little bit tight, so make sure you keep going. All right. I got tired of turning this by hand, so I went and got some power. I can check it. You can take your 3 caps, put them on. Spin this around. Now we're going to take our one that says R on it, put it on the side that has an R. Anytime I use a power tool, I like to start it by hand. So you don't want to strip it out. That's good. Put these caps on. If you have to use a little tiny hammer, just tap on them lightly. Or a rubber mallet would be even better if you had that. For me, I'm just using my hand. There we go. Now there's a little piece of plastic on this too if you want to take that off. Or you can leave it on, whatever. That comes off there like that. Flip this up. And there's a... You'll see this metal piece here, this metal piece. We're going to stick this pin right through there and connect them together. Just flip this up. I don't know if you can, well, maybe you can see that. We'll take this little cotter pin and it goes through all 3 of them. And then you take this Velcro and hook it down. Just like that. Beautiful.
Okay. Okay, now we're going to tell you about all the dials on the side, how they work, and what it sounds like. This big dial right here in the middle is just for your volume. This is bass, that just controls the bass of whatever you're doing. And the intensity, this just controls the vibrations, so whether you want to feel your music better or like whatever you're playing on there. Or if you want to feel your game better, you can just turn this up or down. This is just kind of like self-explanatory. It's an on and off switch. This is where you would plug this in here, the end here. You plug this end in to there, and then you would plug this end into like a little outlet by your wall. And then there's this little headphone icon right there. Not sure you can see it that well, but there's a little headphone icon right there. And that's where you can plug in like a headset or whatever to it, so you can hear whatever is coming out of your chair into your headset. And this is so you can hardwire it to your monitor or your game system or whatever you're playing on there. And it also has Bluetooth just in case you don't want to hardwire it. Okay, right now we have this hooked up to my monitor, which I'll play my games on. And we have music playing on there. So we're going to tell you how to hook it up. And then we're going to play some music through there so you can see how it sounds through the chair. Okay, now we have everything set up and here's what it sounds like. And here, I'm going to turn up the intensity.
Woohoo! This bass.
Feel the rumble. Holy crap.
That's freaking awesome.
That's awesome.
That sucker like shakes the whole room.
I know.
What do you think, Spence?
I love it. This thing's awesome. Okay, now we're going to show you how to hook this chair up to Bluetooth. Okay, so if you pull up on your phone or whatever device you have and you turn Bluetooth on, the other devices, it should say gaming chair. That will be this chair here that you're connecting to. So click that. And it'll make that noise when it's connected. So now that it's connected, I can play some music through here. Oh gosh.
You got this thing turned all the way up.
Yeah, I'm also controlling the volume through my phone. You can do that too. And here. You get the volume all the way up. You get everything all the way up. And there's the bass. There's the bass.
Cool.
It's really cool. I don't know, I like it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found this video was helpful, please give it a like and let us know down in the comments that this video was helpful. He will heart your comment. And please subscribe to my dad's channel. It really helps us out.
All right, thank you very much. God bless and have a great day.